Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieve this DIY amazing fake Swiss crochet using Brazilian wool. Oh my god, this crochet came out so beautiful, so amazing. Let's get right into the tutorial. So now you can see what I did. I twist the root of the the root of the Brazilian wool to form a nice loop so that it will be very easier for me to work with. So now you can see I begin with fox, like wrapping a little bit of Brazilian wool around the Brazilian wool. So I took 3 strands of Brazilian wool to wrap. So I'll explain again for you to understand what I'm trying to say. You can see I use one wool to tie a knot twice. Then I take another 2 strands of Brazilian wool. I keep wrapping and I keep pushing it up. Then I will use my hand to flop it very well. The main reason why I'm using my hand, remember we are going to crochet this hair and we have to work with what will make it easier for us. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how we are going to crochet it and the reason why I use my hand to flop out the twist. You understand? So that it's very easy for us to crochet, because if the twist is too tight, it's very difficult for you to crochet. So keep on watching so that you're going to understand what I'm trying to say. I'll explain to you again. So guys, let's do this again. Twist the roots, you can see, to form a perfect loop. If you want to use 2 strands to tie it, fine. If you don't want, don't do that. The first one I used 2 to tie it. Then take 3 strands of Brazilian wool, then wrap it round as if you want to do a fox lock. Yes, the beginning we started with fox. Then tie a knot when you reach the length you want the fox to stop. Tie a knot with your Brazilian wool. You can see I want to make sure it maybe is the same length. Take 1 strand, tie a knot twice. Then take 2 strands of Brazilian wool, wrap it round. Make sure you space your hand. Do not wrap it close to each other. Then use your hand to push it up. You can see. Then use your hand to flop it out. We don't want the twist to be too tight, so that it will be very easier for us to crochet when we want to do that. If the twist is too tight, it's going to stuck on the crochet loop. That is the loop we crochet it in. It's going to stop. Sorry for that. My camera was focusing on that, so I have to remove it so that you guys can see it. So when I reach towards the end, I tie a knot. Then I did the same method I did from the beginning. Wrap it like a fox lock, so it's very easy for me to put inside the loop. Then I tie a knot 3 times. So I won't talk here. I'll allow you guys to watch. I use 10 strands of Brazilian wool for each crochet twist. I use 10 strands. Then I use that 3 pack of Brazilian wool to achieve what you're seeing. It depends on the length you want. So watch out for the next part. Not now, but watch out for all the tutorial of the DIY crochet hair I did. The tutorial will be coming up so soon because I have a lot of work I'm doing. If you don't know, I make wig. If you want to make wig, I make closure, frontal. If you're interested, kindly please send me a message on Instagram. I stop putting my contacts in my description box because some people are disturbing me. I don't know where they saw my contact. Maybe it's on YouTube. I thought so. So that was why I removed my contact from YouTube. So just DM me on Instagram. Then I'll give you my contact direct that you're going to chat me up on WhatsApp. So thank you. Just keep on watching this amazing tutorial. And also I'm working on my second channel because I'll be starting home decor there, home decoration clean with me. So if you've not subscribed to that channel, kindly check the link below or check my community tag. You're going to see the channel there. Please support your girl by subscribing to that amazing channel. So I'll be busy with that also. So when we are done, cut off the excess, cut it off, chop it off. We don't need that, guys. Please, I'm on my knees. Subscribe, please. I'm kind of feeling down these days with the growth of this channel. I don't know why. Just support me by subscribing to this channel. Like, always like, guys. Please share with your loved one. If you've not subscribed and you're watching this, subscribe. Then I will take a candle to burn the tip. Make sure you put water at your side so that it won't burn, because this can be so painful. So just burn the tip, burn those tips off. So this is what we have. This came out so beautiful, so nice, so amazing, so lovely. Then I'm going to show you guys how you crochet it. This is the crochet with form. You can see, put it inside the loop. It can stuck a little bit because you burn the tip, and it's a must for you to burn the tip so that it won't unravel when you want to crochet it. Then put it in, put it, you can see. That is why I said you don't have to allow the twist to be too tight, too much, so that it will be easier for us to crochet. So this is what we have. The twist is still intact, it didn't unravel. And I'm going to show you easy way you can take out the crochet hair very well. Still, the twist is still going to be intact. So can you see? Very easy. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click on the like button. Support this channel. If you like what you're saying, I know you love what you're saying. Support this channel, guys. Please and please support this channel. I really appreciate that.